Hey YouTube, what's the word? Brian Hernandez here. What's good? I'm just doing a vlog. I'm bored. I don't know what to do. So right now I'm actually at the gas station Chevron, but I didn't come. Like I just came to walk around and stuff. So the usual. So we're just walking around, wasting time. Where are we going? So I'm shy, hold on. 'Cause I'm in the public, so I don't really record in public. So, sorry if I'm not talking, I'm just in public, so there's people around. And how are you guys doing? I'm doing okay, I'm not going to lie. So see, we're at Chevron, we're just walking around. Sorry I didn't really talk, it's 'cause I'm shy. But there's a Starbucks right there. Actually, I could go, but it's beautiful around here. So yeah, we're gonna see you guys in the next vlog. Sorry I didn't talk much. I'll probably make this 2 vlogs because I'm gonna go to the beach today. So I'm not sure if I should make it twice. So I'm not sure if I should make this like with another vlog because I'm going to go to the beach. So I'll probably make this 2 vlogs. So peace out.